This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change ambient lighting Audi Q8. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the engine on and the MMI active. Turn the central dial or tap the screen to open settings, then choose Lighting and Ambience. Browse preset colors or use the custom color wheel to fine-tune hue and intensity. Save your preferred scene to a profile so lights return to your choice whenever you drive. Begin by navigating to Lighting and Ambience from the main settings menu, then choose Ambient Lighting. Use the color wheel for precise hue selection and the brightness slider to set intensity. For dynamic effects, enable flowing or pulse modes if available. Once satisfied, save the configuration to your driver profile so the cabin returns to your settings when you unlock or start the vehicle. It makes repeated customization effortless and consistent. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading during car waits thanks to its glare-free screen and adjustable warmth. I joke it's how I pass time while tweaking lighting presets. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. If you don't see all options, check for an available MMI software update and install it while parked. Restart the MMI or perform a soft reset by holding the power button if settings fail to apply. For physical issues like dim or dead zones, inspect fuses and connectors or consult a dealer for diagnostics. Regularly saving scenes and updating software keeps the ambient system responsive and gives more color choices over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.